Hi, I'm Dickie. Welcome back to my channel, and if you want to find out why I'm not back in rainy and cold Blighty, keep watching this video. So anybody in the UK will know the weather has been absolutely terrible, awful. There's been flooding everywhere, so it's not been really a cyclist's dream to go out in this winter. So the opportunity came up for me to take a few days in this winter, and I decided to go to Tenerife for 3 days of cycling and to do some altitude stuff and to actually get out and back to enjoying riding my bike in good weather. The resort I chose was in Costa Rica, and it's quite a good location because you've got on one side you can go to Santiago del Teide and onto Masca, and on the other side you can go up through Los Cristianos and up to Teide on the steep side, and we'll cover that in the next video. So whilst planning this trip, I couldn't make up my mind whether to take my own bike or to hire a bike. So by the time I'd found a bike box to hire, the cost of adding that to the flight, then the cost of adding that to transport it from the airport to the hotel and back again, it didn't really make any financial sense for me to do that. Plus you needed like extra insurance, so that became a bit of a laborious process to try and sort out. So I had a look around, there's quite a few people that hire bikes out. I went for a company called Bike Point. These guys could not be any simpler. You go on their website, which I will share in the link, and you choose your bike, your size, you put your measurements in, and the bike gets, and it can be delivered, you can collect, but it can be delivered for a few more euros, which I went for because it's a lot easier than trying to get a taxi to one place and cycle back and then go off do your ride. So at least the bike was delivered, and I could ride pretty much straight away. So my ride choices, because I only had 3 days, I wanted to make the most of it. So I did, the first day was an acclimatization ride. It turned out to be a little bit further than I expected. We'll see that next. But it was an 80k ride up, climbing around almost 2,000 meters up to Santiago del Teide, with a nice little lunch, and then a really good downhill all the way back down to the hotel. So that said, I hope you enjoy the content in these next couple of videos. Please like and subscribe if you like what you see. So by the looks of it, I'm going to end up on that ridge at the top there, so I'm looking forward to it. Doing some package holidays, and I found one with Jet2, which is great. Had a look around at the cycling friendly hotels, and the Baja Principal Sunlight is definitely cycling friendly. They've got a garage which I'll show you later. This is supposed to be an acclimatisation easy ride for the first day, ease myself back into it. And my Garmin failed earlier, so I'm not really sure how far I've gone, but it's telling me I've got 7.27 miles to the top, the remaining elevation of 676 meters. There's a lot of red on my Garmin climb, a hell of a lot. Right, well, buckle in. I mean, the stunning views. It's incredible. Just that up there. That's where I'm heading. And of course there's a bridge and tunnel over there. Good Lord. I don't know if that's part of it. Anyway. Okay. We're 5 miles away from Santiago del Teide. The views have just opened up. This is amazing. Absolutely amazing. This is why I love cycling. And this is why I love cycling in the mountains. It's got to be the best thing to do. So the physiological test that I did a few weeks ago, they've given me confidence in my fitness. So I've no doubt that I'll be able to smash this. But I'm not riding for a time. I'm not riding to race. I'm riding for my mental health. It makes me feel great. I'm out in the sun. It's warm. It's beautiful. And I guess that's why a majority of people exercise, is to get past that mundane feeling, or there's no sun in the sky, or it's rain all the time, or it's so cold. I'm not sure if that sign means I'm here or not, I don't know. Says I've got like 2.5 miles to go. So, maybe not. No, I tell a lie actually. Whilst I might be in the town Santiago, I'm not quite at the top. I've got 1.95 meters, 1.95 miles to go, 177 meters to climb, and there's a big red uphill suffering struggle here on my Garmin. Let's see how we'll get on with that. I won't lie, Garmin's taking me off course now, so I'm going through some cemetery. Stop for a beer or something. Hey, nice little lunch in Santiago. Octopus and a beer, so absolutely squids in there. Sorry, couldn't help myself. 13 euros, protein and carbs, lovely stuff. Right, let's crack on. Last bit of the climb, and it's downhill. Back to the hotel for tea and medals. Thought I'd share this bit with you. So this is, I've got a mile to go, 122 metres. And this gradient and this last bit, it's insane. Okay, there you have it. That's day 1 of my winter training camp. I look forward to the next video. That's going to be on TD. And if you like what you see here, please like and subscribe.